So I saw an email, so I just wanted to make a quick video about how to work with wholesalers as a dispositions. So there's a couple things, right? When working with a wholesaler, they have a property under contract and they want us to bring a buyer. That's what I'm talking about right now. So basically, how to do JVs, how to do joint ventures as a dispositions. A few things you have to look out for. 3 things. 1, does the wholesaler control the property? Do they have it under contract? Very, very, very important. If they do not, I would consider not doing it with them, right? If they do, great. Because you want as close as you can to the control of the property as possible, so you're not wasting your fucking time, pretty much. Number 2, you're gonna have to know access. You're gonna have to know access. You're gonna have to know. Basically, you're in your mind. You should have all the information to have a team inventory sheet worth of info, right? You gotta have the address. You gotta have pictures. You gotta have the beds and bath. You gotta have how do you get in, access. You gotta have all these things, right? And number 3, you gotta have an agreement of how you guys are gonna split it. Is a wholesaler, do they want to do a 50-50 profit split? Meaning if he has it under contract for 100, we sell it for 110, he gets 5, we get 5. That's a 50-50 profit split. Or are we going to do it in the sense of, he wants to give us a price. Crap, give me a second. He wants to give us a price and then wait, my bad. He wants to give us a price and then we put our margin on top of that. Kind of my least favorite to do that. What I would say, the rule of thumb is, if he's sending it out on the list, I don't want to be more expensive than that. Okay? Does that make sense? If he's sending it on the list for 110, I don't want to send it on our list for 115. I mean, what's the good in that? It makes us look like shit. So either tell him, hey, what do you actually need to have? Oh, I need to have 107. Anything over that, you guys could market it. Cool. We can market it for 109 and 110, and we look, if not better or just as good as everybody else. And if not, then yeah. So there's I think there's a contract that we have that we can get on working with JV people. So we'll provide that, obviously, but I just wanted to make this quick video to tell you about like how we, the theory of doing it and how to do it correctly. So I hope this helps.